Howdy y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule, stop in and see what it is I'm up to. I'm procrastinating, that's what I'm doing. Not really, I mean, I've been cleaning up here and there all day, stopping and doing little things. Otherwise, you know, that's the way I get things done. But I've cleaned up a little bit in here in my disaster area. I've been doing dishes, I've been doing laundry and cleaning out the van and the truck, and you know, just little things here, there, and everywhere. But part of what I was doing today while I was cleaning up in here was finding stuff that's, you know, it's like stashed all over the place, and kind of trying to get it all into some semblance of an ordered disorder, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, a while back I had made this little fidget spinner, or not fidget spinner, but fidget toy, and it's got a little spinny thing on it. Move this down just a little bit. It's got a spinny thingy on it that's also magnetic. Just barely. Well, it's magnetic. Anyway, and then it's got, you know, it was a flashlight, so it's got a clicker on it. And then I added a switch clicker. And then it's got a small burglar or whatever the heck it is, just a little spinner thingy. It's just a couple of steel weights on a leather tongue. It will come off of here and you can use by itself. But it's just a, you know, it's a fun little pocket toy. I just did a video on this little knife that I put on here until I go out and get my keys or whatever. Anyway, survival kit part, I don't know, 5.E or something. When I made this, I realized that inside of it, there's a lot of space. So let's come down here. Hey. And we'll unscrew this. Now this is not a get home type of kit. This is not, you know, this is really just this is something I need to have in the car all the time for the most part. And then there's a few other little thingies in there. Piece of cotton. It just is what it is. And then there's, oh, at least a double arms width of this waxed cotton thread that can be broken up into multiple other threads. It's rather strong, but it was really just in there to take up space. Same with this pencil that has, about 20-25 feet of fishing line wrapped around it, a hook with a little piece of yellow foam just because I had the space to put it. This is a cotton bud, ear bud, cotton swab. It's got a hollow plastic tube. So up inside of there is a sewing needle that is pre-threaded, and there is, it's a double line about 5 foot long, so 10 foot of thread, but you know, sew on a button or whatever. So those are pretty much just, they're filler. These are why I'm carrying it. I have there are 4 muscle relaxer, over-the-counter muscle relaxer painkillers. And there are two. There's a pack of matches. And these are acetaminophen painkillers. They are not they're a little bit stronger painkiller. That's why I have these. Let's see if I can get this kit loaded back up again, because that's always the fun part. Remember how you got things in. And I probably won't be able to. I know that this went down in the middle, but there isn't no middle anymore. We'll put it down there, and that should fit there. And that'll go on there. I got it back together again. So this is more of a fidget toy medicine container, but it could be any number of, I could have put any number of things in those little straws. So yeah, it is what it is. A fidget toy emergency container, right, I guess, something like that. They're, it is what it is. I carry this thing quite a bit, actually. The old miss doesn't like when I use it. I didn't think I was going to like it because I'm not a clicker type person, although I do tend to click a pen or drive my fingernails, when I'm in the car or whatever. So the old miss doesn't like this. I can't say that I blame her. It would get annoying if it wasn't me doing it. So I don't play with it when she's in the car. I have, ones like these. This is a Mobius ring. I have my little spinners and pass-through rings and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, just thought I would share. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it happens to be on your device. Share me around your social media. Stop that. It gets addictive. Share me around on your social media. I do have a GoFundMe link down there to my nephew's disaster relief. He is talking now. Right now, Puerto Rico. You're not able to fly into Puerto Rico. He is trying to get clearance for his aircraft to fly into Puerto Rico. He'll need money for the aircraft, fuel, and I think landing fees. I'm not sure. So again, it's just people helping people. Puerto Rico is, it's almost gone. I mean, there's very little left down there, from what I've been able to see. These past couple of hurricanes really did a number. So, give your loved ones a kiss and a hug if they're nearby. If they're not, give them a call and tell them you love them. We're not promised tomorrow. Until I see y'all again, I hope y'all have a great day. Slouchy, y'all. Bye-bye.